How to fix Arc Raiders couldn't start the game error. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to open up your computer search for run, click on run here, and you want to type msconfig. Click on OK. Now you want to go to the services tab, and here if you see easy anti-cheat, you just want to uncheck it. So here I can see easy anti-cheat. Make sure you uncheck it. Click on apply, click on OK. Once you have done this, then we can proceed to the second step, which will be going to our Steam library. Here you just want to find Arc Raiders. I'm going to do it for this game. Gonna right click on it, properties, installed files, and I suggest verifying the integrity of the game files. Once you have verified the integrity of the game files, then here you will see size of installation. You want to click on browse, and you will find Arc Raiders. Right click on the game icon, show more options, properties, then go to compatibility and check these two options. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK, and the very last thing that I can suggest doing is going to your PC, C drive, then go into program files 86. Here, open up the easy anti-cheat EOS folder, and you want to delete this file, easy anti-cheat _ EOS system, delete, and once you try running the game, it should work. Also, I suggest restarting your PC before you do that. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.